everybody. It's Wes from the Adventure Family, and I wanted to wish all of you a happy Thanksgiving. And before this next video, I wanted to take a moment to just share a few things that I'm grateful for. God, family, friends, country, and you. I'm so grateful for this incredible planet that God has created for us to explore. My wonderful family, especially my wife, who allows me to go on these trips, and my friends who accompany me and watch these videos. I'm also grateful for this country and the men and women who have fought to keep it free. We live in the greatest country in the world, and I'm thankful for that. And I want to thank you. I want to thank you for watching these videos, subscribing, and helping me grow this channel. In this video, I do an overnighter in the Alabama hills as I'm returning home from my kayak trip on Mono Lake. Now, all the times I've gone up and down the 395 over the past 40 plus years and gone through the Alabama hills many times, I've never actually spent the night there. So I was excited for this opportunity. So I pray you and your loved ones have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and thanks again for watching. Right, it's about 5 o'clock, heading to the Alabama hills, hoping to find a place to camp. Last place I checked, the road was washed out. River was flowing, couldn't make it there, so we'll try this. Here we go, Moffat Ranch Road. The aqueduct flowing pretty nicely. Wow, this is pretty cool. This is way late in the season, but I'm still amazed at the amount of water flowing out of the eastern Sierras. 2023 was a very wet year. So I decided to launch the drone, see if I couldn't use it to help scout me a place to camp for the night. This was an incredible place to camp, but it was windy and a little bit exposed, so I opted to continue on down the trail. So beautiful back here, I can't believe it. So the Alabama Hills are a national recreation area and are managed by the Bureau of Land Management. This particular road is called Movie Flat Road, made famous starting in the 1920s. With the filming of westerns, and more than 100 movies have been filmed back here. These camps say steep, rocky, and rough. Hopefully that means nobody's back here. According to the map, there's about 4 camp spots back here. So this trail wasn't particularly challenging, but you wouldn't be able to get a motorhome or travel trailer back here. So the spot here on the right was going to be my camp for the night, but I figured I'd go to the end of the trail just to check out the view. And as you'll see, I wasn't disappointed. Gorgeous view of Owens Lake out there. And keep in mind, it's been almost 100 years since Owens Lake has had any water in it. In addition to the many westerns that were filmed out here, a few other movies you might know also had some filming locations here, including Gladiator, Iron Man, and one of my favorites, Tremors. After getting camp quickly set up, it was time for dinner. Just an absolutely gorgeous night. Sun going down behind the eastern Sierras there. I'm out here in Alabama Hills and getting some dinner ready. Got some squash and zucchini, some sausages cooking, obviously some sauce. We got some pasta over here. Should be a good dinner. All right, sausages are done. Get them cut up and into the pasta. That is looking fantastic. Oh boy. What do you think? Oh yeah. Let that simmer for a minute or two, and we should be good. I don't know if you can hear the jets, but they've been flying since it got dark. Must be doing some kind of night training. It's Monday night. We're near China Lake. Oh, they're really roaring now. Sound of freedom out there. All right, I think I'm going to just eat right out of here. All right. Let's give this a shot. Very good. That pre-cooked pasta turns out pretty nice. Woo! It's fantastic. Calabrese sausage, a little spicy. Gorgeous out here. After getting dinner cleaned up, I thought I'd take advantage of this clear, dark sky to do a little night photography. Please let me know in the comments what you think. I really love this Overland Vehicle Systems 270 awning. Super fast to deploy and put away. And it's the only one that I found that actually fits a short bed. It's only 5.5 feet long. It's awesome. Is it just me, or does that rock on the right look like a petrified graboid? So this is going to bring this trip to a close here. Was a beautiful night last night in the Alabama hills, but kayaking on Mono Lake was awesome. I can't wait to go back there. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you the next time we venture outside.